So children, fruits are good for health as they are good source of carbohydrates, minerals and vitamins. Different fruits contain different nutrients. So fruits are very healthy for our health. If we eat fruit, then these are the good source of carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins. So we should eat fruits. Next is apple. Now we will know about apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. If we eat apples, then we should not need to go to doctors. Apple contains vitamin A and C. Apples are the good source of vitamins A and C. Next, jackfruit. What is jackfruit? So children, we will know about it. Jackfruit is both a vegetable and a fruit. It is a vegetable and a fruit also. When it is brown and ripe, it is eaten as a fruit. When it is brown and ripe, then it is eaten as a fruit. When it is green and raw, then it is used as vegetable. So jackfruit is both a vegetable and a fruit. So further we will know some names of fruits here. So now let's start. Apricot. Second is tomato. Tomato is used as vegetable and as fruit. We use both vegetable and fruit. Third is strawberry. It is a very tasty fruit. And next is grapes. Next, pears. Next is coconuts. Next, apple. Here is mango, orange, papaya, watermelon. We eat watermelon in summer. It is the great source of water. Guava, and this one is a pineapple. So there are lot of names of fruits. These are very beneficial for our health. So children, now we will discuss about some important facts related to fruits and foods. This one is world's most important sources of food. Grass like wheat and rice. We mostly eat wheat and rice. These two grains are the good source of our food. The tallest grass is bamboo. Here, peppers are the dried berries. Next, raisins, which are used as dry fruits, are dried grapes. So children, now we will know more about the collection of words with the help of your course book. So now let's start. So children, this is the collection of words. We will know about these words. Academy, a place of study or special training where we go to learn education and special training. That place is called academy. Second is admiral. Commander-in-chief of a country's navy is called admiral. Bangle. A rigid ornamental band worn round the arm. You have seen these type of bangles in your mother's wrist. This is bulb. thick, short and underground stem covered by scaly leaves like onion. This is bulb and this is covered by scaly leaves like onion. Its shape is like a onion. Here is fossil. What do you understand by fossils? Remains the plants and animals that lived millions of years ago. Remains the part of the plants and animals that lived millions of years ago is called fossil. Here, what do you see? Some animals speak. Invertebrates are the animals that do not have backbone. And there is the pic of some birds that are flying in the sky. Flights, what is migration, children? Flights of birds from one region to another in search of food and hibernation. So this is called migration. Here, mulberry, a fruit of tree grown to feed the silkworms. What is radar? This is the equipment and apparatus used for detecting the presence of aircraft, missiles, etc. by sending out waves. So this type of equipment are used to detecting the presence of aircraft, missiles, etc. by sending out waves. Whose pic is this? This is the pic of camel. It is vertebrate animals. So we will learn vertebrates. Animals having a backbone such as camel, buffalo, man. These are called vertebrates. So children, now we will solve some exercise related to this chapter. So now here, decode the name of a small bird that can stay in air for 3 years. How many time it can stay in the air? It can stay in the air for 3 years at one time without landing on the ground. So what is the name of this bird? So SWIFT, swift. Swift is the name of the bird which can stay in the air for 3 years. Now, what is this? This is the activity. You should do this activity at your home. How will you do? You will do like given instructions. Okay, now let's start. 3 sheets of newspaper. Here you can see 3 sheets of newspaper. 1 layer, second layer and third layer. We will spread this newspaper like this. Adhesive tape. We use tape here. Third is scissor. This is scissor. We use this scissor. Help of your teacher or parents. And with the help of your teacher and parents, you can do this activity at your home. So how will you do it? With the help of your teacher or parents, cut each sheet of newspaper in help of your teacher and parents, cut each sheet of newspaper in half and put them one over the another like this. Starting from the one of the two shorter sides from here and here. Roll the sheets together and roll the sheets together like this. In this picture you can see here. Tape the roll in the middle at the bottom, and here you have to tape and tape here in the middle of this bundle. Make 4-5 inches long cuts. From here you cut the paper in vertical. hold the center of the roll and slowly pull the middle layer and slowly pull the middle layer of the sheets carefully till the top. Your beanstalk plant is ready, and in this way your beanstalk plant is ready. So students, do this activity at your home with the help of your parents and elder brother and sisters. So children, this topic is stopped here. We will meet in next video with next chapter. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.